Alright, so guys, the Interlink airdrop is currently going on. This is not a Telegram airdrop. This is more or less like a testnet on its own, but basically you need to download their own application on your mobile phone, either Android phone or iPhone. It's actually going to work like what you can see on the screen. So they have actually raised about $20 million from the backers, investors and the rest, and 50% of the total supply is coming to the community for the airdrop. And according to them, this is what they basically do. You can see on their website, say Interlink Lab is building human centric blockchain network designed to make crypto accessible to everyone. Our mission is to create the largest human network in the world with 1 billion real human actively participating on the ecosystem right now. So this is it. You just need to download the Google app or the Android app or the Apple Store app. Just download to your mobile phone. So they said your unique Interlink ID is ready. Start mining ITLG to secure the network and earn reward now. So now we need to download the app to start. Like I said, they have raised about $20 million from investors right there. So now the first thing you're going to do is go to where you download app on your mobile phone. So you can go to Play Store or Google Store and download the Interlink network just like this. You can basically see it. So once you download and install this, just open right here and now click on get started now. Once you tap on get started now, tap on sign up, and once you go on sign up, the next thing you are going to do is you are going to tap on this particular icon right here. Just tap on it. It's going to generate an ID for you, so just make sure you select the ID it's being generated for you and tap on continue. So the next thing is you are going to be asked to enter your password you want to use to register on this platform. So the next thing is you are going to input your password right there. It's just a 6-digit code which you need to enter. So I'm going to do that right now. And the next thing you are going to do is you are going to tap on continue, which is basically right here. So once you tap on continue, you need to sign the code in again. The code you just enter, you need to put it in again. And the next thing now is tap on sign up at the bottom right here. So once you tap on sign up, it's going to say choose a sign up method. So we have the face scan, we have the sign up with Telegram, sign up with Gmail. So basically I'm going to sign up with my face for it to scan my face. So I'm going to take out my cap right now and make sure I can snap with my face. So tap on face and make sure just bring your face right here. And now I just need to do it, move it closer. Okay, good. Okay, good. I think the last one is now the issue right there. So it's scanning my face right now, verifying my identity. I hope it can proceed right now. Let's just wait for it, verifying your identity, and let's just see. So now it says you are all set and now your ID has been verified. You can continue. So just tap on continue right now, and that is my ID. So I just need to click on login right now. So tap on the login and now it's going to use my face to scan right there, and I just need to confirm password. And now it's logging in. Choose your method of login. So I'm just going to use my face to scan right now. So I can basically just log in with my face automatically into this particular app. So you are being logged in right now. So right now it has actually signed in my account right here. So you can basically see your account. I'm Iman. So you can just go ahead, link your account, link your email and connect your wallet right in there. And also this is how you can start mining. So just come over to this particular page right here. Yeah, just tap on this, the home, and you can see mine ITLG. So just tap on mine ITLG and you can start the mine right here. So just tap on it. Every 4 hours the IG is arrived in your wallet. So just tap on the mine right now and it's gonna start mining just like this. Mining IG is successful, so you just need to continue. Congratulations, you have successfully mined ITGLD. So you need to just go back every every time that it asks for it. I think every 4 hours, I think. So just go back, and that is it. And make sure you refer people. So right now you need to submit, to activate your account, you need to submit a referral code. Come over to the settings right here. You can see settings, the profile. You can basically just tap on your profile right here. So once you tap on it, you need to come over to referral right here. So once you come over to referral right here, so you need to submit a referral code. Just tap on it right here. So now it's going to ask you to submit a referral code right here. So you need to enter my referral code right in there for you to activate 1000 points already. So just input my referral code right in there. So my referral code is in the description of this particular video. You can basically see it right there. So this is my referral code. Also, you can see it right here, 230938895. That is my referral code. You can basically just enter into this particular place right here. So once you input my referral code, you can basically start referring people also on this particular project. So that is it, guys. And also you can come over to your profile right here and finish your profile. Just come over to account, make sure you link your email right here, also your wallet right here, your date of birth, gender, country, phone number, and that is it. So now you can also come over to the settings right here to connect your wallet, just like I said. So you can connect your wallet right in the MetaMask, Trust Wallet, BitGet, and every other wallet right there which you can connect. So that is it about this particular. So when there are more updates about this particular project, I'm gonna let you know in another video, and I'll be saying bye for now.